Hi, Todd from Kurloo here. In this video, I'm going to run you through the Kurloo app and its functionalities. When you first open the app, you'll be asked to log in. This information is the same as your Kurloo Nest login information. By logging in, you'll be able to see all the information about the individual Kurloo devices that have been installed on your project. Once logged in, you will see the map screen. Here you will see any Kurloo devices that have been installed on your project. You can click on any of these devices and see its status and information, get directions to the sensor, and initiate the device wizard replacement, but more on that later. You can click anywhere within the settings area to refresh the information. By default, the last project you opened will be displayed. If you only have access to a single project at this stage, then that project will be displayed. You can pull up from the bottom of the screen to see the project information, and keep scrolling to see the Kurloo sensors that have been installed. Like the map screen, you can click on any of these devices to see its status and information. Going back to the home page, if you click the three lines on the top left of the screen, you will see the projects that you can choose from. The pin button on the bottom right will center you back to the project, and the arrow button below that will move to your current position. Clicking the form button on the bottom will take you to the records menu. Here you will see the installation, device swap, and device repair form buttons at the bottom, and all of your installation records will appear above that. To initiate the new device installation form, first turn on the unit and then click the installation form button. It may take a few minutes for the device to connect to the servers. On the first screen, you can scan the QR code at the base of the unit to get started, or you can select the unit type and then select which unit you want to install from the list. There's also a manual entry option where you can enter the serial number of the unit. The next screen will pre-fill some data for you, and you can change this by clicking on the entry. Once you're happy with these selections, press Next at the bottom. The next screen will show you the device status. These will auto-populate if the device is turned on. You can touch the selection and manually change if needed. These status indicators correspond with the 4 LED lights on the front of the Kurloo device. At the top of the screen, you can switch to device stats and touch anywhere to refresh these. These statistics are coming directly from the device and can provide some insight if you're having trouble with the installation. Click Next to advance the form. The next page, you will need to enter some information about the installation location. Obstruction level refers to the amount of sky obstruction there is by trees and the like. You can select low, medium, or high. The remaining items relate to the specific installation, and you can touch to change the entry. Feel free to leave a comment for future reference as well. Pressing Next will take you to the final screen, where you'll be asked to take some photos of the installation. Once complete, press Save. The installation record will now appear in your records list and is saved locally to your phone. You can then click the 3 dots beside the entry to submit the record, and you will see on the menu bar at the bottom the number of records yet to be submitted. The records will save locally on your phone until you have data coverage to be able to submit the form. 2 other forms available are the device swap and device repair form. These follow a very similar format to the installation form, with a minor change at the beginning. For the device swap form, first select the existing sensor, then you'll go into the familiar installation form. This information will trigger automations that will allocate the new device and upload new photos and information you have entered into the Kurloo Nest. For the device repair form, this form is designed for when changes are needed to be made to the installation, and this could be changing the installation for some reason, upgrading the antenna, or cleaning the unit. The form will ask for some information, comments, and photos. All of this information will then be updated on the sensor page in the Kurloo Nest, and an activity log will be created. At the bottom of the page, the next menu item, the hammer, contains some links to the Kurloo website, the Kurloo Nest, installation videos, and an option to contact Kurloo support. The last menu item has all your account information. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact Kurloo support.